And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a motion blur in Photoshop. Let's open a new image. You can find that via the description link below. Let's rename it, call it IMG for image, and I will unlock it as well. Now we want to crop it first. That should be fine. Afterwards we copy it by pressing Ctrl+J, and we'll give the copy a layer mask. We're going to make it black by pressing Ctrl+I. That makes the whole layer invisible. Let's work with our IMG layer first. Go to Filter, Blur and Motion Blur. You can zoom in or zoom out. Make sure to have an angle that fits the direction of the movement in the image. 5 degrees should be good here. I'm going to increase the pixels a little bit to blur it even more and then click on OK. Now we get back to our IMG copy layer and activate the layer mask. We will use the brush tool. Make sure you've got black and white selected. You can switch between those by clicking on that little double arrow or by clicking on X. If you have the white color as a foreground color, you will reveal parts of our IMG copy layer, and you can conceal it by clicking on X. Now we want to reveal the person in the foreground, so we'll use a white color for that and paint over it with the brush tool. I'm going to speed this up a little bit, but if you have certain areas where you have revealed too much, just click on X and then paint over it with a black foreground color, and it will be made invisible again on your layer mask. In this image there are a lot of details that you can go over. As always, the more time you put into such an effect, the better the results will look. So if you work on a client project, put in as much work as needed and as much attention to detail so that it really looks good. And that's the basic effect. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.